Exercise 5. Telephone message. Listen to the conversation and fill in the missing information in the right place.
Good morning, Oxford University. May I help you?
Hello, I want to speak to Professor White, please.
I'm sorry, Professor White is in a meeting right now. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please. This is Kim Gray of London Technical College.
Mr. Gray. Is that Grey?
Yes, that's right. Could you tell him that the meeting on Friday is cancelled?
Friday meeting is canceled.
Yes. Please ask him to call me this afternoon. It's very important.
All right. And your number, please?
545-3250.
545-3250.
That's it.
Okay, I'll ask him to call you this afternoon, Mr. Gray.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.